Hello, Tara here. When I got my my Simple Stories mystery box, I had also some other things in my cart, so that shipped at the same time. And I have not opened this other than just to untape it. So let's see what we got. Normally I'm a little bit organized, but I thought I'd do first impressions here. So, simply stated, urban grunge. I do like this Simply Stated. It's a little pricier though, right? Oh shoot, is it all single-sided? Yeah, it is. Okay, well, whatever. But nope, they're not the same. They're similar. I do like that they give you like a 6x6. It's nice. It's nice quality paper. That's neat. Neat. To me, I don't know that that's urban grunge though. To me, that's more like vintage farm type of thing. I don't know. Thoughts? I do like the tone of it. You know what it'll mix well with is that Simple Stories. Hang on, I'm gonna grab it. I got some of that Simple Stories. Simple Vintage Essentials. Or is that too white? Maybe too white, but these might. Just a thought. And then I also got, what do they call these? The large, large or extra large ephemera. So nice big. Look at that big floral. Oh, super cool. Like those. I got the florals, and I thought the florals were just such an unusual color story for florals. But like, not pretty. Well, these ones are actually made of book paper. You can see that? It's kind of neat. Yeah, these are really pretty. And then I got just some more gears. So that was it for this collection. Then this is Paper Rose Happy Hollow Basics. And I want to say there's a discount on the Paper Rose when I put it through. Can't remember why, but there was. So I'm not exactly sure that I would use this for Halloween, but I just thought it was nice for fall. Yeah. And yeah, there's two of each, right? Yeah. Oh, that's a nice plaid. And then we're back at the beginning. And then as far as embellishments, there was quite a bit to choose from, but I just ended up with these embossed die cuts because I just have bought a few, and they're super, like it's like almost like a heat embossing on there. That's super cute. Oh, look how cute they are. Little little teddy bear dressed up as a vet. Aw, so cute. Okay, so that was it for this collection. But I'm half tempted to throw some of this. I don't know if this will match with my fall collection. Notes on Fall, or whatever I called it, the little kit that I put together. I'll leave that out because I'm gonna do my page kits up next. So that's that. And then I am doing Vicky Bouton's Willow Grove class, like her weekend event. So it comes with like everything in the collection, but that's not till after the new year. And she's already started doing some of her, Friday Night Lives, but she did one on Saturday this past week, and she was using some of the kit already, or collection already. So I just kind of wanted to, I haven't even really looked at what I got, but this is a great collection. Love that. That's nice. It's hard to find, like blue can run so, and I like all the shades of blue, but it can run so teal. But you know, that's a really nice shade, and that's a nice shade. And this subdued orange, this is just a really good collection. I say that every time she comes out with something. So I would have probably gotten a little bit more, not that I need any of it, but Hollow Tree did not have a whole lot. So I just got what I could. So I got those. I'd like another pack of the basics, you know what I mean? Like the background papers that are basically cardstock, but she was sold out. So I'm sure be able to get a hold of it at some point. And then I just got another pack of the journaling bits set, because there's a ton in there. And I think she'll use a lot of it in her class. So that was it for Willow Grove. And then these were new. Deco Time Chameleon Paint. And it has a color shift. And I just thought that was fascinating. I wonder... And I want to say that this was under like $10 or something for the 12 colors. So I don't think, I mean, you don't get a whole lot, but chameleon changes with light and perspective. Paint works amazing on dark backgrounds. Interesting. Oh, you can kind of see, I don't know. I mean, I don't expect it to be super color shifting like a multi-chrome eyeshadow, but I think it might be kind of along the same lines. So we're gonna have to play with that. We are. I should swatch them just so I can see what, how they work before I try and use them on something, because that's about the time you wreck whatever you're working on. Okay, yeah, so that was it. Just a little haul to go along to ship with my mystery box. And I do have another pre-order coming from Hollow Tree. That was all, she had a pre-order on the new Simple Stories collections. So I didn't get actually all of it. Surprisingly, I tried to pick and choose what I thought I would really use. So I think that's maybe due in next weekish. So I will share that when it comes as well. But until then, hope everyone's doing well. And if you've got any of these new goodies, let me know. And we will talk to you again soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.